We're gonna be playing some Two of the Mask, and um actually, you know what? No, we need to play these. We're gonna be playing some Subway Surfers today, guys. Where is it? I'm trying to find Subway Surfers. Uh, oh, where's Subway Surfers? Oh, there it is. So we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfers again today, guys, and guys, please subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, and like all the videos that I post on YouTube. And looks like you guys aren't really watching my videos, so I don't know what's happening, but looks like there's a new update. Looks like it. It's very cool. They changed the thing again. They changed the theme. I just woke up, so like I'm recording the video. I just woke up. I don't know why I did that, but it's very stupid. Anyways, can you watch this? Because I need and tell all of the people on Discord to subscribe. Cause guys, if you guys don't have Discord, install and follow us on Discord. His name is Agent Friends. Agent Friends, or Agent Gaming. Mine is just plays, and I just died. It's okay, cause we're gonna try to make a longer video today, because why not try? So, you know, guys, when you in Roblox, we've been so mad with Dunstan yesterday. Yesterday we could not stop arguing. Like, yesterday was the argue day. That's what I call yesterday. The argue day. Because we've been legit screaming with each other on teams. Because we usually call them teams on Discord. But we mostly call them just teams. Because why not? We were mad with Dunstan. Is that why I choose? Sorry about filming on Eagle a lot, but gosh damn it. How much money do I have? I have 600. What the hell is that? Ew. Ew. Somebody's. Ah, damn it. Stupid ads. Can't get spy. I love that much. I want her. 30k, 40k, 80k, 120k, 40k. So expensive. God. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there are new now. There are more new boards. Yeah, the normal ones. Yeah, not here though. 8,000? Okay, 50,000, 40,000. Probably I'll go for this one. The Mammoth. There we go. That's pretty cool. Yeah. I'm gonna go for this one. You know what I'm doing. You have to be our high score. Oh, God. Oh, burger. I got a cheeseburger! But yeah, I just have to get bread now. Very weird. Devil are in the park. Okay. They're like in a Wild West team thing. Ow. Bingo bongo. Bingo bongo. Oh yeah, smooth. Yeah, we smooth asses. Oh, I hate these. Stupid stuff. Bread. Oh, yeah, I'm not getting lost bread. No, I didn't. Yeah. I didn't get lost bread then. Right, come on. No! Darn it! Man. It sucks. Whatever. Bruh. Ugh. Alright, everyone who taught this game really cool. Clear reward. Okay. Now I can get a. Oh shit. Ooh, there we go. More coins. And you don't need. Yeah. I love superhero. Well, anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video of Subway Surfers. Join me on Roblox. You can find me Jethro Plays, as my channel's name is. You can find me. We'll play together and we'll make videos here on Subway Surfer somewhere. I'm gonna call Discord as well. Play with Roblox with you guys. Choose for yourselves. But yeah. You can do whatever you want. So, see you guys next time on an episode of Jethro Plays. Bye, guys.